Load your family into the 2016 Jeep Compass. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.